Hi there. On Monday, we should record a complete video showcasing our last launch, but I couldn't finish this week without telling you about what we have been building these days. And we are launching our own MCP server, okay, that allows to work with your code from your Cursor, Cloud Desktop, any of the AI platforms that can work with this protocol, okay. And I showing you some samples of how this can be used and what possibilities this open, okay. Here in Cursor, I have configured the MCP server, okay. It's just you just need to add this to your config files, okay? And after that, you have some tools. And for example, you can write some guess the last Bitcoin price uh, running a Python script, okay? So if you ask for this, mm, Cursor is calling a run code tool on the MCP. Okay, we can run. And here we see that Cursor has created some code. And if we go to our YepCode account, okay, we can see that a new Python script is here. Okay, and here we have the valuation, the Bitcoin valuation. Okay, uh, the MCP server has created this YepCode process and has started one execution. Okay. And everything without the need of deploying nothing. Okay, and this is the first tool that we share, run code and that the LLM can generate. But we have been further in your J-code process. You may have any J-code process, for example, this one that gets SpaceX launches, okay? And each J-code process, as you know, may have input parameters schema, okay? In this case, we are having some limit and some start and end date, okay? And we are using these input parameters just in the code to filter the query that we want to do, no? So this process, all your J-code processes may be exposed as MCP tools, just with another environment variable. Okay. To configure your API token, you just need to go to your settings and to your API credentials. Okay. So we can also ask cursor questions like tell me how many SpaceX launches happened on January 22. Okay. So Cursor should know that he has a tool to call the SpaceX launches, okay? And he knows how to send the parameters. So here we can see that a new executable has started, and here we have the result, and here we have the information about the launches, okay? And then CP tool also returns all your log, execution log, okay? That are the same that you are seeing on your code. So the LM can feedback with these logs and keep building some complex things, okay? So we think that this is pretty awesome to create any kind of tool without the need of deploying anything. You just need to go to your Gcode account and create your processes, set your input parameters, and your favorite AI tool will understand that parameters and will know how to interact with your Gcode account. And also, you always have your Gcode run tool that allows to receive any piece of code. And take into account that you may use any library because on your code account you may use any Python or JavaScript dependency. So the code that your LLM generates can also use any NPM or PyPI package, and we are in charge of installing that packages to be able on the execution time. Okay. Thanks for watching.